We are back! Hello everybody, HowToTech Studio here with another Pokemon Go spoofing video to show you how to get your iPoGo onto your devices. Yes, it is a no PC, and yes, it is completely free. If you are brand new to our channel, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button and set up the notification bell to show your support. And we are going to get this onto any iOS device really quickly. But before we get into that, this video is sponsored by Pokemon Go for Sale, the best place to go to get any accounts and single Pokemons that you may need. And they offer a variety of different accounts from a diamond to gold to silver and to bronze of different levels for any ability. And you can also then go ahead and get lots of different Pokemon that you may need, shinies and certain IVs. And these are a really good place to go for all your Pokemon needs. We are also offering a 20% discount, so if you were to go and add one of these to your basket, you can then go on to apply coupon and type in HTTS20 and click apply coupon for a 20% off anything on this site. So make sure you go ahead, check the links out in the description for Pokemon Go for Sale. This is the place to go to for your Pokemon Go needs. Okay, so as we said, this is going to be no PC, and it is going to be completely free. However, this could revoke in the future, so if it doesn't work for you, check the links out in the description before commenting to say it doesn't work, so check those out. We already have fixes for you guys. We also have a whole 2 really important videos as well, which we'll talk about later on, which you must watch after. So, without any further ado, let's go ahead and get this onto your device. If you're not so sure what iPoGo is, basically it's a tweaked version of Pokemon Go that allows you to teleport anywhere in the world and use joysticks, speeds, and so much more. So, let's go ahead and get this for you. What we're going to do is firstly, all you need to do is delete any version of Pokemon Go that you have on your device. Okay, very important. Delete any version you have. The next thing we're going to do is get TutuBox. Some of you may have used TutuBox before with me. If you haven't already, basically it's like an app store that Apple doesn't want on your devices, hence why it can get revoked in future. But we're going to go and get that, and stay tuned for the whole video because there are certain steps that will be very important that might be new to you. So we're going to go ahead, if you have TutuBox already, just delete it because we're going to get a new version of it. Right, next things first, make sure you are updated to the latest iOS version, so do that in your settings, and then while in settings, scroll down to where you see Safari, and then go down to clear history and web data, and click that to get rid of all of that, so our Safari is nice and fresh. We can now open up Safari, and you're going to go to TutuBox, tutubox.io, and then hit go. Now, the biggest thing to understand here is there are quite a lot of adverts on here, okay? Quite a lot of adverts, so you are going to need to decline them or get rid of them if needs be. So make sure that if one pops up, like mine did there, I blurred it out because it wasn't very it was a bit sort of not very safe for kids, let's say. So I got rid of that and get rid of this one too. So while we're here, you're going to click the big red button that says Risk Revokes. So click on that, and it may take you to a different page. It says here VPN update, you need this, whatever. No, you don't. It's just an advert. So click on the multitasking at the bottom and swipe it away. Okay, do that a couple of times because the adverts will eventually go, and then it will take you to this page here. Now, you're going to need to go and tap on the first link there that says Install Now, and then you're going to click Install. If it does anything different, or when you'll go back to your home screen, if it doesn't install, so if it says that it's unable to install, unable to verify, anything like that, that basically means that Apple have gone, nope, you are not allowed it on your device anymore, and that means it has been revoked, okay? So make sure you check the links in the description before commenting down below to say it's revoked, because we have fixes already for you. But it is working currently now, and hopefully it will work for a while longer. So next thing to do is, if you try and open it up, it will say it's untrusted. So we're going to go into settings, then go down to where you see general, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see device management. If you don't see it, just scroll it up a couple of times, it will eventually appear. Tap on it, and then you're going to tap on the enterprise app. This is the thing that might get revoked in the future, but click trust, and then we'll be able to open up TutuBox. Now, TutuBox is here, and you can go ahead and get iPoGo. It's the top one there, so click Get, and then Install. While this is installing, I need to remind you, you mustn't teleport or do anything really to catch Pokemon until you have seen the video in the description about how to do your cooldown periods. That basically means you can't just teleport around and catch Pokemon without getting a thing called a soft ban, okay? You need to understand that before you teleport around. So check the links in the description. And then we also have the best settings, because I'll set up a few important ones today, but then the rest of them, the best settings you're going to need, are in another video. So check out those 2 videos once you have got this. So as you can see, iPoGo is now installed. It may crash a couple of times. If it does, don't panic, as it did for mine. It will eventually open up, okay? Because it's a sort of tweaked version of Pokemon Go. Date of birth, you're going to want to set this to quite old. I like to go into sort of the 1991 area, just to make sure it's over 18. Then click returning player, and if you didn't do over 18, you would only get the Pokemon Club and Niantic Kids. If you need to log in with a different version, you'd need it to be over 18. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my HTTPS account just to show you that it works. And it's completely safe, completely free, and working all of the time, okay? Then I'm going to show you how to do certain steps that you need in order to make it work properly and safely. And then I'm going to hand it over to you guys to go and check those links out in the description. So if it asks you for your location, you can then allow it to have your location well using the app. That is perfectly fine. And as first things first, it will teleport you to where you are in actual life. Okay, so the next thing to do is tap on the iPoGo logo, go to settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you see the joystick dynamic/static. You're going to want that on so that you actually have the joystick. So you're here, okay, and then you can actually use the joystick to walk around. Now, if it teleports you to somewhere random in the world, you can either use the map to teleport somewhere, or you can use favorites like I like to use, and I like to use Pier 39. So my Niantic thinks that I'm actually in Pier 39 because I haven't accessed anything while teleported to anywhere else in the world, so I can just go back there and it will work for me. However, as I said to you guys, you must check the video in the description before teleporting anywhere in the world, because it is extremely important you do so, okay? So this has been how to get iPoGo onto your devices without any need for a PC, and it is completely free. Make sure you check those links out in the description right now, and I will see you guys over there. Before you go, have a look at our Discord and Twitter, as we are flying on those, getting loads and loads of members already, so go ahead and check those out if you can, and I will see you in the next videos. All the best. See you guys very, very soon.